Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and it's still kind of hard to believe this and probably will take a little while to sink in, but we have reached 50,000 subscribers on this channel. So we wanted to take a moment, say thank you so much to every single one of you who has joined this community and built it up to what it is today. Kapwing was started with the intention of empowering modern creators, providing image and video editing tools that are more accessible, more easy to use, so that anyone could spread messages and express themselves, no matter if you are 8 or 80 years old, and your support enables us to reach more people and help them do that. I feel like this is especially wild for me because my Kapwing journey started 2 years ago when I entered here and started running the channel. At the time we had just 400 subscribers, but that summer we grew to the 1,000 mark after grinding on many tutorials to help you edit videos. Since then we've made a lot more videos to help equip you with the tools and information you need as a modern digital creator. We also ran the Kapwing Creators Fund last fall and gave away thousands of our YouTube revenue dollars back to this community, and it was amazing to see all the things that you've made with Kapwing and just connect with you more. So whether you found us when you needed to make a video, learn a modern creation technique, keep up with TikTok trends, or something else, we're so grateful that you've stuck with us. In the end, we're here to help you express yourself, and we're excited to continue doing that. So to celebrate this community, we are giving away a free lifetime Kapwing Pro account to one lucky creator. A Kapwing Pro account will enable you to make much longer videos in Kapwing, as well as access unlimited cloud storage for your projects, upload custom fonts, and use all other premium features. To enter the giveaway, tell us about your creative journey and how Kapwing has been a part of it. You'll need to make a single comment on this video as your submission that includes 2 things. Firstly, describe your creative journey with Kapwing. How has Kapwing helped you grow as a creator? This is a pretty open-ended question, and you can answer it in even just a few sentences. We essentially just want to hear about your creative story. Then in that same comment, paste a Kapwing link to the first project you ever made with Kapwing, or make a video talking about your creative journey with Kapwing. The link that you submit must be taken from the final video page, so make sure your project is exported and take the link from the end page. And also make sure you're logged into your Kapwing account. When you make that project, you'll be able to tell if you're logged in because there won't be a watermark on your project. That's so we have contact information to let you know if you're a winner. Also, don't worry about the edit button on that final video page. When you paste your link, no one will be able to edit your original video because that button just makes a copy. So don't worry about that. You'll only be able to make one submission as part of this giveaway, and make sure that both of those things are included in your comment, in your submission on this video. We'll be picking a winner in 2 weeks, so make sure to get your submissions in by then, and we'll contact the winner by email, so keep a lookout. So thank you again from everyone at Kapwing and me, and I look forward to hearing your stories and continuing discussions in the comments below.